Alright, just a simple reminder for everyone studying, no? Whether you're studying violin, piano, or kahit anong musical instrument, no? You have to understand na meron siyang growing pains, no? So, especially sa mga adult beginners or sa mga mas may edad na. Kasi, siguro nasanay na tayo na lahat ng bagay instant, no? And, nakikita natin dito sa social media, parang ang bilis ng progress ng iba. But if you're starting from zero and you want to evolve, wala talagang instant eh. Lahat yan may prosesong pagdadaanan. And that process requires a lot of patience, no? So, huwag kayong magmadali, no? Especially sa practice. So, a lot of people kaya din tumatagal or lalo silang nabe-burnout, na-frustrate is because they think na binigay nila lahat sa practice pero mali pala yung way nila ng pagpa-practice, no? So when you practice something, hindi enough kasi na uulit-ulitin mo lang. So hindi ganun ang tamang practice. You have to be mindful of what you are doing. Make sure na when you repeat something, it is better than how you did it previously, no? So if you repeat something 100 times, no, kasi ang common mistake is when someone starts practicing is that papasadahan lang ng papasadahan, no? Papasadahan mo yung buong pyesa, tapos titigil-tigil ka sa mga parts na mahirap, no? So yung practice na yon is actually bad for you. Why? Kasi yung isip natin doesn't really know how to discern right from wrong, no? So kung ano yung lagi nating ginagawa, yun yung nakakasanayan niya. And kung nasasanay tayo na, for example, yung isang pyesa sa gitna lagi tayo nagkakamali at every time na uulitin natin mali yun na yung makakasanayan, no? So that is not a good way to practice. A good way to practice is making sure na you understand what you need to do sa mga parts na yon. I-dissect mo yung piece, no? Make sure na hindi ka humihinto do sa mga parts na yun. And if you do stop and make mistakes, ibig sabihin masyado pa siyang mabilis for you, no? So sobrang counterintuitive, no, with the way we operate right now, no? Gusto natin lahat instant, pero in reality, if we want to get better at something, we have to slow down, we have to reflect, we have to understand ano ba talaga yung nangyayari. Bakit ako lagi nagkakamali? We have to ask those questions. And kahit na magmukha tayong mabagal sa ginagawa natin, sabi nga, slow and steady wins the race, diba? The more consistent you are in your practice, dun mo mas maiintindihan kung ano yung dapat mong gawin. And in turn, no, habang tumatagal, dahil nagawa mo na siya before, makikita mo rin yan in the future, yung passage na yan or yung technique na hindi mo makuha, gagawin mo ulit yan sa iba pang pyesa. Sigurado ako na mas maiintindihan mo na yan, and doon na tayo bumibilis, no? So when you're starting out, it's not an instant makukuha at an instant makukuha mo na agad, no? Mahabang proseso talaga siya, and that process will be longer or shorter depending on how you deal with it. And a lot of people kasi are afraid of failing or are afraid na mahirapan ako sa ganito, ganyan. Natatakot na baka magkamali, pero that's how you grow, that's how you become better, no? So mga pagkakamali, understanding why you made those mistakes and understanding how to correct them, no? And of course, importante talaga na makinig kayo sa mga mentors nyo and teachers when we talk about practice, no? Kasi yung iba, gusto talaga nila mabilis, no? Pero hindi talaga ganun, no? Parang the faster you get something, the quicker din siya mawawala sa isip natin, because our brain operates that way, diba? Yung long-term memory, yun yung kailangan nating i-transfer natin yung mga natututunan natin into our long-term memory so that we can keep it and we can preserve that technique, that passage, that problem area, how we solve those problems, ma-preserve natin sila para every time na babalik siya, magagawa natin. So again, huwag kayo masyado magmadali, no? Nothing instant is worth doing, di ba? Yung mga bagay na pinagpupursigihan, pinaghihirapan, dyan tayo gumagaling. At dyan tayo natututo at naiintindihan natin kung anong ginagawa natin. So good luck sa'yo and I hope you keep practicing.